Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains, waiting the sound of silence. And restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the hollow of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and dawn, where my eyes were stabbed in the flash of a neon light that split the night, and that's the sound of silence. I need a naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one there disturb the sound of silence. Folks that I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might